For the first time on Geeksvana, it's time to give some stuff away. Hey everyone, and welcome to Geeksvana. Now firstly, I'd like to take the time to thank everybody for supporting the channel through your views and your subscriptions, especially to those of you who take the time out to give feedback and comment on our videos. We really want to continue to improve our channel and its content, and the only way that's going to happen is feedback from you guys. Now you may remember a couple of weeks ago I made a video about how I clean my drone lenses with a Lenspen. The feedback to this video was amazing, from those of you who already used the pens to great success, and also from those who found out about them for the first time. The video was also spotted by the manufacturer of that particular pen, a company called Lenspen. They were kind enough to tweet about our video, and we really appreciate the love. In fact, they've sent us some free samples of their new range specifically tailored to deal with drone lenses and filters. Now they were kind enough to send us a few different sizes and types, so later in the video we're actually going to give a couple away. So stay tuned to find out how you can win one. Now please note that although Lenspen were kind enough to send me these products, there was no condition of making a video or my opinion in that video, nor is this in any way, shape or form a sponsored video. Okay, so here we have the new range of pens. As usual with similar products, they come in a card and plastic bubble packaging. On the front of the card there are little circles showing the size of the carbon cleaning tip. It also promises 500 uses and has simple instructions on the back. These three are designed to fit drones. As you can see, they have different size tips. And this one branded Filter Clear, which is intended to clean filters specifically. Now I know that one will be interesting to a few of you who asked about using the previous pen on filters. It'll be interesting to see if we see any difference between this and the normal drone one. Okay, let's open these two up and give them a go on a drone and filter. Again, both have the extendable brush to clear debris, etc. And both also have the carbon tips. Interestingly, these are being marketed as having invisible carbon, which is possibly where the 500 use promise comes from. Let's clean the drone lens first. I've placed a fingerprint on the lens of my Mavic Air. The smaller carbon tip is certainly a lot easier to use and work around such a small lens. As you can see, the lens has come up clean and grime free. Now let's see if this repeats on the filter. This is a set of filters for the Osmo Pocket, which I will be reviewing in another video. I know, yet another review of an Osmo Pocket filter, but these are very cheap and I wanted to see how they would perform. Okay, again the pen has performed and cleaned the filter very well. There are links in the description to purchase these pens either directly from Lenspen or Amazon. These are very new on the market, so please bear in mind that they're not available in all Amazon marketplaces quite yet. Okay, time to give away a couple of the pens that I have left over. I'm happy to send these to you wherever you may be in the YouTube universe. The rules are very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to the Geeksvana channel and then below comment this exact phrase, Geeksvana, drone me baby. We're going to be using a random comment picker to choose the winner. So only enter once, as multiple entries will be disregarded by the software. That's it, nice and simple. We'll upload a video next week on the 1st of May showing us picking the winner. Do you want to see me flying a drone at a nuclear weapons storage base? Click here to watch that video now. Thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next video.